Welcome to our complete guide to using Strong 4K IPTV, the greatest IPTV provider available. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Strong 4K IPTV on your smart TV using STB Emu with extra options for Firestick and Android devices. Whether you're on a trial or have subscribed to one of our reasonable packages, we'll make sure you're ready. Let's plunge in. To use Strong 4K IPTV on your smart TV, first install the STB Emu app. This program turns your smart TV into a set-top box, which is ideal for IPTV services. Simply go to your TV's app store, search for STB Emu, and download it. If you have a Firestick or an Android device, and follow the same instructions. To set up STB Emu, contact the Strong 4K IPTV support staff at Strong 4K IPTV Live and receive your unique portal URL. At the same time, you will need to provide them with your device's MAC address, which we will explain you how to locate. To find your MAC address, launch the STB Emu software. Once inside, hit the menu button, the one with 3 dashes on your remote. Go to the Settings menu, then Profile. You will need to create a new profile here. You may call it whatever you like under Profile Call, for example, Strong 4K IPTV. Now for the most crucial element of the setup, the portal URL. After establishing your profile, navigate to Portal Settings and click on Portal URL. This is where you will type in the URL supplied by Strong 4K IPTV support. Type the URL exactly as it appears, but make sure to erase anything after the last /. Once you've input the gateway URL, click OK. Next, we must set up the STB Emu model. Navigate to STB Configuration, then Model. Scroll down and choose MEG 324 from the list. This is the most stable solution and is best paired with Strong 4K IPTV. Remember to keep the firmware and screen resolution settings as they are. Now, submit the MAC address to Strong 4K IPTV so that they can activate your service. Do not share this MAC address with anyone else. It's unique to your device and necessary for your subscription. Once you've configured the MAC address, return to Profile Settings to finish the configuration. If you see the option Serial Number, we recommend removing it for improved performance. Clearing the serial number can minimize buffering and improve overall performance. Next, navigate to Media Player Settings and select Media Player. By default, it is set to XO. However, we recommend changing it to LJK for smoother performance, since it works better with most IPTV servers. After that, use the Return key to return to the main settings menu. Once you've completed the setup, return to the main menu and pick the newly created profile. Your smart TV will now connect to the Strong 4K IPTV portal. If you are experiencing buffering or loading troubles, go to the app's settings, delete the cache, and restart it. Also, ensure that your internet connection is reliable.